DivaBasics SmartStart Nail Art Design System Kit. I purchased the basic kit at a beauty store and just tried it out today. I like it. The designs come out nice and it is super easy to do. Yes, I do think it could be a bit less expensive, but it will be used enough times to get my money's worth. My 11-year-old daughter was the first tester and her designs came out nice. I saw the other review about not being able to expand, but it comes with a DVD and a booklet that lists all of the expansion add-ons, including many other designs and polishes. I recommend trying it out for yourself. I think you'll like it. Nail Art Accessories Real Dry Dried Flowers 12 Colors. Winstonia is a USA seller, check out the feedback, ship fast. BMC 24PC Mixed Holograph Color Nail Foil Art Strips. Do not be intimidated by these foils if you've never tried them. My experience with Bundle Monster nail foils has been nothing but positive. Let me preface by saying my first ever experience with nail foils was with these Bundle Monster nail foils. All you do is cut little squares to fit your nails, apply the nail foil glue, let the glue set for 5-10 minutes, then smooth the foil squares on your nails and gently peel off. The results are amazing. It looks like high quality polish. This type of nail foil is great for nail art as well. I used some studs and the results were stunning. I would recommend these foils, even if you are not experienced with nail foils. They are very easy and look like you spent a lot more time than you did. This item was sponsored to me by Bundle Monster in exchange for my honest review. BMC Multicolor Anti-UV Protecting Hand Forearm Gloves Open. Upon noticing a substantial deterioration of my nails, I decided to pay more attention to them by taking supplements and keeping a strengthener hardener on to protect them. I purchased a UV nail dryer to prevent transfer to sheets at night. Eventually, I also came to the realization that these gloves are a necessity, as well. Also, it should be noted, they are hard to find. BMC Metal Nail Art Confetti 20 Designs Shapes Double. Arrived quickly. I have a small nail beds, and this nail art is small enough to use nicely on my nails. Many different designs, the pictures show exactly what you'll be getting. Yes, a few of them got loose during transportation, but bags break all the time. So what? They are going to get mixed up at some time in the future anyway. There are lots of fun and different designs that I'll enjoy using for years to come. 500 pieces are going to last a long time, and the price was right at $2.99. I place them on my tacky nail polish and then cover with a quick drying clear topcoat. My current preference is Poshy topcoat. I don't use glue, no need to add that extra step. I change my enamel polish weekly, and this metal confetti stays on my nails for the full week. If one gets a little loose, I just add more clear nail polish. No worries. I haven't tried these with gel nail polish yet, but I presume these will work just fine. BMC Mix Design DIY 3D Silicone Nail Art Decorative. I'm no professional, but I ordered these to try 3D nails as I do my own nails at home. It was surprisingly super easy to use. 1 drop of soft acrylic before it hardens goes into the mold of choice, remove excess, let dry, pop out your nail art. The molds are like flexible rubber so they can bend to pop your nails art out. When I popped out the trial leaf and bow, it came out easy and totally clean and no cleanup to the mold was necessary. Templates came in a resealable bag with many different molds. Most of the templates come in different sizes from tiny to jumbo on each individual mold. When I do a full nail I'll post pics, but for now here is the pics for the leaf I just tried. King Fanchon Nail Stamping Printing Plate Manicure Nail Art Decor. It's nice. It works, but it's a little bent and, therefore, hard to scrape off without streaks. It may be the stamper itself, but I can't pick up the design with nice, clean lines. They're also a little small to fit all the way around my thumb. Good thing my nails are stubby and small. I looked at other reviews and I didn't find the edges sharp at all. I would buy this again, and I have. It took a while to arrive, which is partly why I only gave it 4 stars. King Fanchon Nail Stamping Printing Plate Image Stamps Plate Manicure. I'm new to stamping, but these have been great to work and play around with. The designs come off perfectly and have a great amount of detail. I use my BMC stamper with this plate for a perfect combination. I can't wait to get more plates, and will certainly be buying King Fanchon stamping plates. They came with a protective film over the metal plate that pulled right off. You're ready, set, go with these templates. CC and SISI Nail Art New and Big Silicone Stamper and Scraper Set Print Tool. I was really not liking this stamper at first, until I figured out the trick to it, so I thought I'd share what I learned. I used a magic eraser to prime it. In hindsight, probably wasn't necessary, though. Right here is the $1 million secret: press it down gently to pick up the stamp. After hours and hours of giant messes, NSFW language and passionate vows to jump in front of a truck, I discovered very much by accident that I was pressing down too hard with the stamper. I found that I need to gently just touch down the stamper to the plate. Once I figured that out, it was smooth sailing from there on. Hope this helps. CC and SISI Nail Art New and Big Silicone Stamper and Scraper Set Print Tool. I looked around at other stampers before settling on this one, the regular sized silver, for both the price and the reviews. This is my first stamper and I had a super easy time using it right out of the box without having to prime it. Before it came, I watched a couple videos to make sure I knew how to use it, but it was very easy. I even used regular polish instead of stamping polish. I had a little trouble on my second pull, but quickly figured out that it was because my polish had dried before I lifted it, not because of the stamper. Both heads are a nice size and seem just the right amount of squishy to me, soft enough to press onto the whole nail but not so soft that I messed up my image putting it on. It also has a nice weight to it because of the metal handle, but not so much as to be uncomfortable, and the shape of the handle made it easy to hold. The card I received is a nice plastic in silver, about as thick as a credit or gift card, and I had no problems using it. The card cleaned easily with a bit of acetone, and the stamp head came perfectly clean with the polish I used with a lint roller, as described in the videos I watched. So far I've only used the white head, but I would definitely buy this again and recommend it to anyone I know who's looking for one. Born Pretty Nail Art Stamping Template Image Plate Marilyn. Specification: 100% new, retail diameter, 5.5 cm. Package contents: 1 PC. Born Pretty 15 Nail Art Stamp Template Instructions. The plate is shielded by a thin transparent protective film. Please remove the film before use, so that the nail polish can be transferred by the stamper. Feature: 1. Apply base coat or regular polish on the nail. 2. Apply the nail polish to desired image within a plate. 3. Make a scraper leaned over 45 degrees and scrape excessive polish off quickly and strongly from inside to outside. 4. Immediately press the stamper with a gentle rolling motion to pick up the design. The image is transferred on the stamp. 5. Stamp the image on your nail with a gentle rolling motion. The image is transferred on your nail. 6. Repeat the above steps for all of your nails. 7. After stamping nail art, apply top coat for lasting wear. Born Pretty Nail Art Stamping Template Image Plate Aztec. I bought these June 16th, they arrived on the 26th, that's a great turnaround for BPS. I love the plate, images stamp worked great. No problems with these images at all, every one is crisp. Super pleased going through Amazon, way faster. I really wanted this for the top image too from the right. Wonderful, very crisp images, super fun over water marble of any color combination. These are super cute and unique images. The plate was flawless, I'm so happy I got this. Born Pretty Nail Art Stamping Template Image Plate Chic. Edited 6/6/16, the seller sent a replacement plate and it arrived in perfect condition. Stamps beautifully and the designs are super. I've revised my rating to 5-star, because I really so love it. So a big thank you to Born Pretty customer service. While this is a good quality plate, as I have come to expect from Born Pretty, it arrived so badly dented that I cannot get a clean scrape on my favorite of the patterns, in fact, the one that convinced me to purchase the plate. It won't be worth the postage to try to return and exchange it, so I'll keep it. 2, maybe 3 of the patterns are usable. But I'm very disappointed not to be able to use the cute stripes with flowers. King Fanchon Nail Stamping Printing Plate Image Stamps Plate Nail. Some of the designs were scratched or slightly off, but it works. It took a while to get it to work. If you cannot get this plate to work, you are using the wrong tools. Do not use one of those cheap plastic scrapers that come with the transfer device. Use an old gift card instead. Hold it at a 45-degree angle to the plate and gently swipe the paint over the plate. This works. The engraving on this plate is deep enough despite what some claim in other reviews. Yes, the sides are sharp, so handle with care. King Fanchon Nail Art Stamping Stamper Scraper Image Plate Transfer. This is a very nice little stamper. I was able to pick up good images right out of the package. The only priming I did was to use some sticky tape as if I were cleaning it. And I don't think that would have been necessary. It is soft, but not super squishy. I like that it is clear. Pretty much any color polish will show up, and I can look through it for image placement. I like the protective cover that comes with it. I like the sturdy credit card style scraper. The only drawback is the small size. I couldn't pick up as much image width as I would like without rolling or pressing really hard, and for some images this led to distortion. So that is why I only gave 4 stars. Still, all in all, I am very happy with the set, especially at this price. If it were 1-2 inch bigger in diameter, I would give it 5 stars plus. City 1 PC White Peel Off Liquid Tape Peel. I wanted to try a peel off latex to use when doing my own manicures and gel nails. This is the first brand I've tried and it does what I need it to do. It's super easy to apply and easy to remove even after being on my cuticles during UV LED light setting. My only complaint, and it is super minor at that, is that the latex isn't thick. I need to apply at least 2 coats, preferably 3, for solid coverage. That's the only remotely negative thing I can say, and I will still buy it again. King Fanchon Peel Off Liquid Tape Latex Tape Peel Off. I thought I would be waiting for forever for these. I think they were coming from way far away, but given how much less expensive they were compared to all the others, I figured it was well worth the wait. And I was right. I would have been happy with these even if I had been waiting for them for a while, but I didn't have to, they were got here so quickly that before I opened the package, I had no idea what was going to be in it. I mean, I thought I had another week or two, not only that but they work exactly like described, like they should, like all the latex skin protectors do, thankfully, because when I pain my right hand, it is a hot mess. Not with these, and I have to. I can go as crazy as I want to now without having to keep thinking toned down due to lots of messy fingers. Definitely worth the purchase, I have no complaints, works well, arrived quickly, and cost about half for two, them most do for just one.